Well, we have 2 raccooners and a marble. There we go. Who is watching the cooners intently. That's her job. Hey, baby. Yes. Hello, little furry ones. Gosh. Hey, baby. Oh, please don't do that. You're going to rip my socks. Once again, we are supposed to get wet at some point, but we don't know exactly when or exactly how much. But in the meantime, everybody eats on the deck, because that's the way it goes. Whoops. Somebody just stepped in one of the bowls. Hey, baby. Oh, it's one of them wandering off. I hope somebody comes up to replace him. In the meantime, this furry little fellow is still standing in one of the dishes. I wonder if the cereal is all gone. They do like their cereal. Tried out salad on them yesterday. I don't think they appreciated it. But that's okay. Oh, there he goes. Oops. Well, I'm going to give this a pause and see if anyone else shows up. Well, it doesn't look like anybody's going to show up, so I'm going to call an end to this. I only got a little over 3 minutes, but, well, I'll take what I can get. And I'll try again tomorrow. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll hopefully be back tomorrow.